I'm gonna look and listen too. What about you?
Boris and Binti. Boris and the washing machine. Boris is sitting on the bathroom floor. He is helping Mummy. He puts the white towel on the white pile. He puts the blue towel on the blue pile. He puts the red towel on the red pile. There is Bear. Where shall I put the blue sock?
On the blue pile,
Bear says. And where shall I put the red scarf?
on the red pile.
Bear says. Mummy turns on the washing machine. Look, Bear. The washing goes round and round. Bear? Bear, where are you?
I'm here.
Bear is in the washing machine. He goes round and round. Mummy, Bear is in the washing machine with the blue towels. Is that bad? No, Mummy says. That's not bad. Bear can do with a good wash. Boris has to wait a long, long time. He can see Bear in the washing machine. There are bubbles between his ears. Is that fun, Bear? That is great fun. Then the machine stops. Mummy opens the door. Bear jumps out of the machine. He is all wet. He is all blue. What now, Boris? Come, Bear, he says. I'll dry you. He takes the hairdryer. He puts Bear on the chair. Then he dries Bear. Bear says,
Can I go again tomorrow?